Hello everyone, welcome back to our maths lesson. So today we'll be learning a new topic which is congruence and similarity. Okay, so let's get started with our lesson today. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to state the condition on proving congruent triangles, and then identify the congruent triangles, and lastly solve any unknown angles or sides. So the step to success, the first step is that you have to identify the angles and side of the triangles. Second, you have to apply the method of proving triangles are congruent, the conditions. The third one, you have to solve any unknown angles or side. And lastly, you have to always double check your angles and side and make sure that the shapes are congruent. So the first subtopic is congruence. What is congruence? Congruence is when you have the same shape and size. Okay, so for example, we have these two shapes. So these two shapes are rectangles. Okay, since these two shapes have the same dimension or size, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, the shapes remain congruent with different orientation. Different orientation meaning that it has different rotation or position. So for example, you can see these two triangles have different orientation. Okay, however, it has the same size. We can say that same shape also. So we have the height is 7 cm with a base of 5 cm. Also, the angles is equal. Okay, since these two shapes have the same size and same shape, we can also say that these two triangles are congruent, even though they have a different orientation. Alright, so what are the methods of proving triangles are congruent? Okay, they have four methods or four conditions. The first one is S, meaning that all three sides are equal. Second one is that SAS, meaning that two sides and included angle are equal. The third one is that ASA, meaning two angles included side are equal. So we have angle, side, angle. And lastly is that we have RHS, when both triangles have right angle, equal hypotenuse, and equal side. Okay, this equal side does not include the hypotenuse. Okay, so let's see this example. So we have these two triangles here, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Okay, so how do you prove that these two triangles are congruent? We see first. So we can see AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF. Okay, since these all three sides of the triangle are equal, so we can say that both triangles are congruent by using a SSS, or side, side, side. Okay, the next one. So these two triangles, they have an angle here, included angle. Okay, so the first one, AB is equal to DE, correct? And then angle ABC is equal to angle DEF. Okay, and BC is equal to EF. Okay, so we can say that both triangles are congruent by using side, angle, side, SAS. Alright, next one. So we have two triangles also with two angles and one side. Okay, so we can say angle CAB is equal to angle FDE, which is 60 degrees. And then AB is equal to DE, And lastly, angle ABC is equal to angle DEF. Okay, so this one should be 40 degrees. Okay, this one should be 40 degrees. So we can say that both of this triangle are congruent by using a angle side angle, which is ASA. So lastly is that we have two right angle triangle. Okay, so ABC, angle ABC and also angle DEF is 90 degrees because it is a right angle triangle. Alright, next, the hypotenuse also equal, which is 12 centimeter, and the height is also equal, which is 8 centimeter. So we can say that both of these triangle are congruent by using RHS. Okay, so that is how you prove triangles are congruent, by using the four methods. You can choose either four. Okay, so let's see this example. In the diagram, ABCD is equal to YXTZ, where XY is 10 cm, XT is 7 cm, with angle T 98, angle X 66, and angle Y is 71 degree. First, find the length of BC here, the angle of BAD, which is this one, and also the angle ADC, which is this one. Okay, so now what I want you to do, try to pause this video and try to solve this this example. Okay, you have to find the answer by referring to this shape. Okay, so now please pause this video. Okay, so I believe you have done already this example. So let's see. So now let's discuss together. The length of BC, this length. We know that this length is equal to length of XT. Length of XT is 7 cm. So we can say that BC is equal to 7 cm. Okay. Next, angle BAD. So this angle. Okay. So angle BAD is equal with angle XYZ. This angle. So we know that angle Y is 71 degrees. So angle BAD is equal to 71 degree. Alright. And lastly is angle ADC here, which is angle Z here. However, angle Z is not given. So you have to find or calculate what is angle Z. Okay. So what you can do is that we apply that the total angle for quadrilateral is 360, correct? So use that one to find angle Z, and you'll get angle Z to be 125 degree, which also is equal to angle ADC here. Alright, so please check your working and answer. If you get incorrect, please double check with the working here, but if you're still confused, please let me know. Alright, so let's proceed to example 1 inside your notebook. For the pair of congruent triangles shown below, find the length of the unknown side X and Y. Alright, so you have to find these two values, these two lengths, by referring to this triangle. So now please pause this video and solve example 1. Okay, so once you finish, please proceed to example 2. Triangle PQR and triangle STU are congruent. Find the unknown angles A and B marked in triangle STU. So you have to find these two angles based on this angle. Now pause this video and try to solve example 2. Okay, so once you've done already, proceed to the last example, which is example 3. In quadrilateral ABCD, BE is equal to CE and AE is equal to DE. A. Prove that triangle AEB is congruent to triangle DEC. Then second, name a triangle that is congruent to triangle ABD. And lastly, name a triangle that is congruent to triangle ABC. Okay, so please pause this video and try to solve example 3. Alright, so for B and C, try also to use the methods of proving triangles are congruent. Alright, okay, once you finish, please submit your work to me. Okay, so thank you very much everyone. See you next lesson. Goodbye.